Hello guys, it's Sunil DJ here, and today we are going to unbox this brand new LED strip. It's an RGB LED strip with inbuilt program support. I bought this kind of LED strip. This is an RGB one 4 years back, and it requires an additional controller unit to actually control them that has a remote control like this. So I had to control the colors using this. This I bought 4 years back, and you can see you get 4 connectors. One is 12 volt and other RGB connectors to control the lighting. But this LED strip surely needs a controller to actually change the colors randomly. But the strip I have here is really advanced and it is really cheaper. My retailer bundled me with the power adapter and the strip for just 350 rupees, which is really cheaper in the concern, because I bought this strip 4 years back for around 750 rupees alone. So we have here is a 5-meter roll inside this package. So I just remove them out. So here we go, we have it. So the one piece strip is really very long, and you could see there is a microcontroller inside. For every strip we will be having one microcontroller. So I will tell you how to actually control them. So we get the DC power jacket. So if you don't want to control them, you just want to have a beautiful lighting scenario, you can directly use the power brick to actually power them. So we have his 12 volt 1 ampere power adapter. You can get in the bundle up option itself because it is really cheaper to get them. So here we have the power adapter for this LED strip. So coming back to the strip itself, here we have 3 connectors. One is the 12 volt input DC and the ground. So the center one is called D out and D in. So you may think, what is this? Actually this syncs the LEDs to work in a proper manner. So we can actually hack this LED strip by getting a connection over here and the output and the input, and we can use Arduino such development boards and we have to code them to actually control them with specific lights or something. But actually inbuilt itself they have around 256 color combination lighting effects. So I will just test the LED strip whether it is working or not. Then I will post one fully dark scenario lighting for the all 256 color combination itself. So now let's test the LED strip. So now you guys can see how it actually lights. So I have all my lights on so that only it looks a little bit dim. So it has lots of color combinations. They are really looking nice. For the price I get really a good features in this product. They actually sync each other to actually bring this kind of gradient effects. I think you could see. We can hack this LED strip by getting an output and input from this digital output and digital input to our Arduino board by programming them. So I will try it in another day. Today we just see how actually they look in the fully dark mode now.